the Half-Dead 3. Not Half-Life 3. You know what I mean. So let's go. What is behind this door? Nothing. Yippee. I try to make this video more interesting than the last one. You have to just light the doors and not the dangerous rooms. There's one of the dangerous rooms. You didn't notice that for some stupid reason. But let's see what is here. Hunter was safe. There's nothing to us. Oh, you guy, I love you very much. Actually, no, I don't love you very much. But I'm gonna see you. Ah! Yes, let me alone. Let me alone. Oh shit, se neemot vielä. Oh shit, man. So let's make the finish for 1 minute or so. Oh. Oh, I did tap him. Oh, I have to go there. And it's not good to beat that then. With this guy at least. Oh, why are you always following me? I don't like the big elephant guy. He's not the most nicest guy ever. I'm gonna just have to eliminate you somehow. Shit. Oh, you need to die. That's good. Oh, oh, we are so good now at this. We need the zoo. Without the zoo, we cannot properly pass this. This is not safe. There is the partner. No, there wasn't the partner. Oh, I am not gonna go there. There's in here. Oh, this thing. It's a very weird thing. I can say that to you. Oh, what the? Doesn't save room after all. So it have to be this room. Oh shit. Yeah, this room wasn't safe too. Get past this. Oh, food. Yeah, we might food. We might survive this after all. Thank God, I love food in this game. It always clear my path if I am dying. Is this room safe? I cannot test, but now I can because now I have a zoo. Thank you, skeleton. Is this room safe? Yes, it is. Oh, what was that sound? Nothing, I guess. Oh, this is that was safe. So back and try to throw it. There we go. It's now broken up. Then we're gonna hide me again. Where did my zoo go? I think nowhere. Just disappeared like a poof. Yeah. And I'm not gonna last that one. I don't like the Squid Game type of games. Oh shit. Break this. There we go. Thank you, I'm gonna... Oh, I need to block my... So in there. I don't know how is that possible, but... Still, that was stupid decision. No, not you. I have to deal with... Oh! I know how to kill you. I know how to kill you. I know how to kill you. I'm gonna make you follow me. Come here, little Fredo. Oh, wait. To kill you. Come here. Sit, come here. Come here. Go. There you go. Oh, it's a nice tap for him. Oh, what it is anyway. Let's just go. Yo, this was in the safe room. Oh. So can avoid that. Oh, this is the most dangerous one. Okay, maybe I just go like this. To find the safe room. This is probably the safe room. Oh, it's maybe the safe room, maybe. It's otherwise safe. Oh, yeah. Yay, we got the exit. Okay, let's go. We have to go here, I guess. So... No, what the... Oh shit, this wasn't a nice room after all. I think that the Jigsaw made these traps. Or at least I think so. Oh shit. Fight trap. Oh, is this the food room? Ah, god, yes, this is. Go, little ball. No, what the... What was in there? Oh, so that was safe. Oh no. No! Let me in. Oh shit. This isn't the safe room. This should be. Yes, this is. We have to go this direction. And if what the exit we win the game. There we go. Some nice music too. Maybe. So let's go. So I think that the Jigsaw made these traps because this is like him. He would actually do these traps. At this place. This is the safe room. Yeah. Is this one safe? Yes, I think so. This one has to be safe. But this one is safe. You don't count the car. And I did it! Next level we go. Everything's in here. Safe room. So is this one safe? Otherwise, let's take this. Fuck this. Yeah, money can hurt you. There we go. To the last level we go. Nice. Is this one safe? No. I think that is a death room. This is safe. No. At least it's kind of doable. This one safe. How only one of these are safe? Let me in. I can do this. Oh no, not there. Not there. Nope. Nope. Oh no, not there. That is the death room. That is a death room. There was a naming material. It was a death room. And that is definitely a death room. Yeah, we need it. We need to pass the game. In BIA. Here we go. And I need to get the one of the achievements so that I don't need anything. Okay. That's it.